Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be walking you through the process of backing up your Altru website. This is really helpful if we're going to be working on any online templates, any checkout flows. Pretty much having a good backup is always a good idea. We recommend you that you go ahead and get this done. So we're going to go ahead and get this done here together. I'm going to be doing this on a Mac. But if you have Windows, it's pretty much identically the same process. You're just going to use a different program. So let's go ahead and just get started here. So here's my downloads folder. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this backup. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up, and here's text edit. So if you are on a Mac, you can just simply find it by just searching for text edit. If you are on Windows, you're going to want to search for Notepad. So Notepad or text edit. So if you're on Windows, find Notepad. If you are on Mac, use text edit. We're going to use one of those tools here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start here. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to put this under my backup folder here. Okay, and then I'm going to name it header.html. And then I'm going to click save, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to use HTML? I'm going to say use HTML. Okay. And then we're going to open up another one. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing as before. We're going to do footer.html. Click save, use HTML, and there it is. And then finally, the third one, we're going to open up another one, and we're going to call this one style.css. And we're going to click save. I'm going to say use CSS. Okay, so we have our three main files there. The last one we need to do here is we're going to need one more file just so we can remind ourselves what we did. So this one I like to call readme.md. MD here means markdown. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And there we go. So now we have all of our files pretty much here, and we're ready to create our backup. So I'm going to go into Altru here. I'm going to click on web. I'm going to click on page designer, and this is going to open up the little page designer that Altru has. And then the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to make a backup of the layout. So I'm just going to copy this name here, go back to our little text edit, find the readme one here. So I'm going to go ahead and call it layout. And then I'm going to paste that layout name there. Your layout might be different than this layout here, so don't worry if it doesn't match exactly. What we're doing here is just simply a backup. So I'm going to click on save there, close that one. And then we're going to go here, and then we're going to go ahead and click on next on the bottom here. There we go. And then we're going to go down here where it says advanced colors and styles. We're going to click on edit style sheet. We're going to go ahead and click our cursor inside this box. And then you're going to do Control A or Command A. So if you're on Windows, you're going to do Control A. If you're on a Mac, you're going to do Command A. You're going to copy this. We're going to go ahead and click on Cancel. And we're going to go ahead and find our style file. And we're going to paste that in there. And we're going to click Save. And this is just going to back up all of our CSS. So that looks good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. And then now we're going to go on to the next one here, which is the content section. So here you have a header and you have a footer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and click on this little gear on the top left. We're going to find our header file here. And we're going to say view HTML code. We're going to copy this. So again, click in here, Command A for Mac, and then Command C to copy, or Control A for Windows, and right click copy, or Control C to be able to bring that over. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to bring it over to the header. We're going to save that file, close that, cancel here, and then we're going to go down to the footer. And same as before, we're going to go to view, HTML code, copy this, Command A for Mac, Control A for Windows, Command C to copy, Control C for Windows, And we're going to paste this inside the footer. And we're going to click on save. We're going to close out of that one. Cancel here. And then we don't need to save anything here. So we can just go ahead and cancel that. Now you'll have a footer, a header, and a style file. And that's pretty much your backup there. So if you ever need to restore your template, you have access to be able to restore that there. And you should end up with these files here. So if we look at them, you'll see there's all of our stuff, all of our backup, and all that's ready to go. At this point, we recommend that you email support and you send us all these files just in case if we need to back it up. So if you could just now go ahead and send an email out to support at Social Good Software with these 4 files. That way we have a backup, and if we need to use this backup, we have access to it as well. And I also recommend that you back this up to either local storage, cloud storage, just anywhere that you have access to this, just in case if we might need it down in the future. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.